Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to the Average Trader channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Feg Token in both PC and mobile phone. And I have a video about Feg Token explanation. Make sure to check that out as well before investing on Feg. And before we start, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us on Twitter in order to enter the giveaway. So now let's begin. So to buy Feg in PC, you need to have metamask wallet, and if you don't know how to create a wallet, make sure to check out my video about creating wallet, and the link for that video will be on the description, so you can check that out as well. And now first thing we need to do is add Binance Smart Chain Network to the metamask wallet. For doing that, press on metamask icon and then press on expand view, and then press on this button above and then press on custom RPC, and then fill these like I did. And the information about these is going to be on the description, so you can copy and paste them easily. And after pressing save, you can now see smart chain, and if you press on a smart chain, you're able to see the coins that you have on a smart chain. Next step is to buy Binance coin and transfer it to your metamask wallet, and you can buy Binance coin on the Binance exchange itself, and after you can easily transfer it to your metamask. So now head over to the fegtoken.com, and you have three options to buy them. One is on FegX, one is on Uniswap, and another one is on PancakeSwap. The process is similar, so I'm just going to show you how to do it on PancakeSwap. And in this page, press on I understand and continue to version 1 anyway. And now you need to connect to your wallet. Press on the connect and then choose metamask. And now select the currency you want to swap to the Feg. Press on Binance coin and enter the amount you want to swap to the Feg. And after that, press on confirm, and that was it for buying Feg token on the PC. And if you have Trust Wallet and you want to buy the Feg token on the Trust Wallet, you need to do these steps on the phone. So first, go and open Trust Wallet, and on the apps section, scroll down until you see PancakeSwap. Then press on PancakeSwap. And in the bottom you need to enter the contract ID of Feg token, and I will put Feg contract ID on the description so you can copy and paste it easily. Now all you need to do is enter the BNB amount, and because I don't have Binance coin in this account, it will not let me to do this swap. And after pressing on swap, usually takes 5 minutes till you see the coins in your wallet. So guys, that was it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now, because we have lots of great videos coming, and you also enter the giveaway by subscribing our YouTube and Twitter. Now thank you all for watching. Peace out.